exchange the map. Oh, wait, I need to change. I'm gonna dress up and turn. Oh, see, I'm going to turn into a parent. Now I'm going to take my unicorn out. I'm going to go show you the map. You teleport to the nursery. Did I just take my piggy out? Okay. Pick up. And now, so the school is over here, but the school used to be all the way over here. Now the nurse is here. And this is kind of looks weird. And now that ship is there, and I didn't see in the... Okay, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to see if this changed. Oh, there's no new eggs. I'm going to open my big present. Oh, gifts. This big gift. Let's open it. I got a throw toy. I got 3 of those now. I can trade them. This is a total weird. This is very weird. Yeah, the nursery right there. It's still in the middle.
No, there's somewhere you can buy toys.
Oh, the toy store.
Yeah. Go on your unicorn. Start flying.
Okay. Do not feed. Fly. It's kind of weird when you fly. The toy store and the pizza shop and the drinks did not move. Let's see if there's anything new. Ah! Nothing new. Just like plain old. Now let's see if any of my friends are playing. Okay, they are, but I only can teleport to one person. Oh.
Mommy, what does this say?
And now let's pick up. She looks kind of weird, so I'm going to drop that baby. Now I'm going to feed my dog, my unicorn, not my dog. Now I'm going to go to dress up, change my hair. I don't like my hair anymore. Ooh, there's new hair! Ooh, I like this hair. This is so cool! There's new hair, they put new hair in. Ew. I'm trying to find like a cool, yeah, I like this one. It's like a blue. That hair, yay! Yes. This is not new. Oh, this is new. I think that I have a unicorn. I don't know. I'm just going to keep scrolling down. Ooh, look, I want to get this camera. No, the camera doesn't look good. The same. I did not know that they put new stuff. What? Unicorn! I like this unicorn, it's so cute. Few hearts around my head. Penguin is so cute! No, cause I'm trying to do something. There's lots of new. Oh, this is you have to buy Robux to get that. Piggy. The same thing that I have. Crown. The crown doesn't look good, so I'm not going to wear it. The new update is so cool. Okay, that's enough. Okay, well, my unicorn's at school. Ooh, what's this? Cool.
That's amazing. A boba.
Yeah, but there's a cuter boba, but I couldn't find it. I'm trying to... This girl keeps trading me. Because she really wants my unicorn, I think. Oh, unicorn finished school. People are like jumping in front of me because they think I'm Megan Plays. I'm going to wear these earphones. These are cute. Oh, look at this. What? Ew. Okay, I'm done. I'm good that my... No! They want my unicorn. That's a bad trade. They really want my unicorn. Newspaper? What? Huh? I want unicorn. Sorry, no. Scary. I have so much money now. Sizo. I wonder if I look like Megan Plays can't. I am running around. Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh, someone dressed their frog up as a pirate. I'm going to pretend that I'm the sky. Thanks for watching. See you next time.